Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Henne kasni ka khatpra trek mentau benai nok pra arja khatpra, ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association, ka Pynkup Burom ya kinang ilakai ki balayo Takma, Haka lempong jong ka First Northeast Olympic Games 2018, ya ka badang sudap Longshan hapo jela Manipur. Ya kani ke jelang Pynkup Burom la pelong ha Hotel Polo Tower Shillong, ha ka balai don langru, ke Director jong Kenat Sports and Youth Affairs jong Sarkar Jela, ke Kong Wanri AS Booth, ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasius District, Kong Matsiudor War Nongbri, u Deputy Director jong Kenat Sports and Youth Affairs, u JR Marang, u President jong ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association, u Ba John F. Kharshieng, u Ba RG Lingdo bat kiwede. Bat ha kani ke sengi la Pynkup Burom ya kisan pukandai ngot kinoi lakai, ki balayo Takma, ha ki jing lakai ba peroper, kentop na du ki bayo ya ke Takma ksiar, Takma rupa bat Takma tama.
You've done the state proud, and I remember while the games were going on how everybody was, going through the papers and hoping against hope that we would also do well and we would figure in the medals tally. I'm very, very glad that at the end of the day we really did do well, and you've done us all proud in spite of all the problems, in spite of the lack of financial support, yet you have done well. I think you've shown that the spirit is very, very important in order to perform well. I have heard what the chef de mission had said, and I also join hands with him to request the government to also give a little more support. We've got the national games coming up very soon here in Meghalaya, and everybody is looking to the state team to do well, and unless we're able to give them the support, give them the help that they require, I'm afraid that we may come up short. So I hope the Olympic Association, the Directorate of Sports, the government itself will start, pulling up their socks and doing whatever they have to do quickly, because now 2018 is gone. We've got about 3 more years left. And 3 years is very, very short to really put together a good medal-winning team. And wherever the games have been held, the host state always does very, very well. And so we've got, a precedence to keep up with. So I sincerely hope that we will do well. We are there to support you. We are there to help you. And we are there if you need us to maybe twist a few keys here and there to open up the locks to help you get what you need. We are all there to help you. But I think the state associations will have to take the onus of responsibility to ensure that their associations do well. They get whatever needs to be given to them, especially the players, immediately from now itself.
It is indeed, I'm very grateful to pay tribute to your impressive effort in the first Northeast Games in Manipur. I'm sure you have worked endless hours in your quest to be world class. And for that, we applaud each and every one of you. I learned, and it was from an email that Ba John sent me, that 59 of you came home with medals. And this just shows that sports has developed over the years. And I have my predecessors, the sports associations in the state, the clubs, and indeed thankful to all of you. I'm new. I've just joined as director. But we must not forget that behind your achievements, there's that special group of people. Your parents, your friends, your relative, your wife, your brother, who have supported you emotionally. And not forgetting the coaches, who have worked with you so hard on that technique to face your competitors. That's why you came back home with the medals. So let's honor and congratulate them today too. Because their success, your success is their success, your achievement is their achievement. So I think we should give them a hand of applause. Now, I forgot to, address the chef de mission Barrier. He did have a long list of things for me to do. We do have a sports policy in place which was started by my predecessor, Msoa. And yes, of course, I understand there's a lot of problems, financial crunch that the state has been facing, but we will get by it. Don't worry about that. As a representative of the Sport, Youth and Affairs Department, I will stand by the sportsmen and women of the state. Okay? The sports associations see that you are not marginalized in any way, so that you will once again make us proud in the national games that will be held in a few years' time. Of course, you will have to hit the ground running and start practicing. And I did have a meeting with the MSOA in about last week, and we will be very soon, choosing our team to coach them for the national games. And I'm sure you will once again make us very proud. Thank you once again, and congratulations to all of you.
Andy Franklin Basayomon from Archery. Andy and captaincy, please stay with sir. Third, we have Albinus Rompet, bronze medal, and Dino on stage for a photo with our sir. Rafael Sun, silver medal. Bandana Walang, bronze medal. This is from karate, winning medalist. In the first note, Sonu Kumar Rai, bronze medal. Thomas Rongthalu, bronze medal. Vishu. Philip Kanti Barman, bronze medal. And moving forward, to please stay with Madam for a photo. Gopar Karbangar, Shangbok Nongse, Manbhalang Nongmin. Lastly, I would like to request our chief guest for leading the team for the first Northeast Olympic.